All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about engaging with your customers faster with text messaging. Text messaging has become a great asset when it comes to communicating and marketing with your repair shop customers. And the beautiful thing about it is that text messaging gets a much faster response time than other communication types. So it's a great tool to have in your repair shop. So we're going to get in here and I'm going to explain some ways that you can communicate with your customers one-on-one. But most importantly, all of our marketing messages that we can do for you. Your thank yous, your appointment reminders, your declined work, service reminders, newsletters, you name it. They can all be sent via text message as well as emails. So the system is going to automatically communicate with your customers for you to respond to, which is great. But while the customer's in the shop or while they reply to your marketing, you need to communicate back and forth with them. So we're going to show you here if a customer's in the shop, let's say Lynn here is in the shop, and you want to communicate via text message. So while we're looking at Lynn's Dodge pickup truck here, we want to communicate with her. We can come over here to the send text message pop-up, and we can utilize this. Now, in this case, this is a test database, so there's no number associated with this customer. If there was, it would say cell phone, and you'd be able to drop down and select different phone numbers for that customer for you to communicate with. You also have templates here to pick from. So you can grab, like, say, vehicle is ready, and it's pre-made up with data merge tags, such as their first name, their year, make, model, or vehicle, that will all show up in their text message without you having to do anything. So if you're ready to say, hey, your vehicle is ready for pickup, you just grab the template and you hit send. Done. That easy. There are some other great features here. You can customize, right? You can say whatever you want to say in the text message. You can use some emoticons and add some emoticons to your conversation. And you can also browse and grab an image from your computer to upload to the text message, and then just hit send when you are all done. So once that message has been sent, the conversations of it are in your texting center over here. All right. When customers do reply to text messages, there is going to be a pop-up on the top right here that pops up and shows you a little bit of an intro to the message and who it is. There'll also be an audible chime that happens. And then finally, there's a number here that indicates how many unread text messages you have. So you just click on the texting center to go into it. And you can see here, these are just some test messages we have in this database. But you can see I was on Lynn's vehicle before, and now I'm coming in. It's actually pulling her vehicle up right in the texting center for us to see. But there is no texting conversation. So it's trying to find some, but there's none there. So we can click on any one of the customers here that are in bold to see their messages. We can see the top reply up here. Again, this is just testing in the system. But the dark gray boxes, that's your outgoing text message from your shop. The white ones are the replies from the customers. So if you want to get rid of this red indicator that says new, that can be done in a few ways. You can type in, or again, use templates for your text message. Drop it in there nice and easy and hit send, and that will send the reply to the customer as well as mark that top message as read, so it no longer says new and no longer shows an indicator there. Sometimes you don't need to respond to them, right? There's something they say that they're just confirming something. There's no need for you to respond. You can just click on it. And now the new is gone, the red indicator in the tab is gone, and that 3 is now turned to a 2. So you can simply mark those as read just by doing that. You can go through this list pretty easily and see all your previous text message conversations based on the last response as to what day it is. They'll be sorted in here for you to look at. And again, you just click on the customer for it to load up and for you to see the texting conversation. That's it. Pretty simple. Again, texting is just a fantastic way to quickly communicate with your customers, whether it be marketing to bring them in, offers you want to send to them while they're away from the shop and you're working on their vehicle. It just has a much faster response rate than other communication types. So definitely look into that if you're not already doing so. We'll catch you on the next video.